How can I percent-encode URL parameters in Python? If I do, it doesn't encode /to %2f, breaks OAuth normalization. It doesn't handle Unicode, it throws an exception. Is there a better library?
From the Python 3 documentation. Replace special characters in string using the %xx escape. Letters, digits, and the characters _. Are never quoted. By default, this function is intended for quoting the path section of a URL. The optional safe parameter specifies additional ASCII characters that should not be quoted. Its default value is /. That means passing for safe will solve your first issue. The function quote was moved from urllib to urllib.parse in Python 3. By the way, have a look at urlencode. About the second issue, there was a bug report about it and it was fixed in Python 3. For Python 2, you can work around it by encoding as UTF-8 like this.
In Python 3, urllib.quote has been moved to urllib.parse.quote, and it does handle Unicode by default.
I think module requests is much better. It's based on urllib 3. You can try this. My answer is similar to Paulo's answer.
If you're using Django, you can use urlquote. Note that changes to Python mean that this is now a legacy wrapper. From the Django 2.1 source code for django.utils.http.
It is better to use urlencode here. There isn't much difference for a single parameter, but, it makes the code clearer. It looks confusing to see a function _+, especially those coming from other languages. Documentation. urlencode, _+.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.